Right that.
What up guys, Steez again. Today's video we're going to be going over how to do an RPG fast swap. It's a really simple shot and you can do this in a lot of different combinations. So if you guys have any cool stuff, follow me on Twitter. Send me some of your stuff. Dude. Alright, hold on. What up guys, it's Steez. Today's video we're going to be going over how to do an RPG fast swap. This is a really simple shot, but you can make it look really steezy. Hence the name Steezy. Nah, okay. All right, let's do it again. Run it back. Take 4, I think. I don't know. What up, guys? It's Steez. Today's video, we're going to be going over how to do an RPG fast swap. It's a really simple shot, but you can make it look really, really sick. So if you guys don't know how to do this and this video helps you, please drop a like. Please subscribe. I upload every single Sunday at 2 p.m. U.S. Eastern Time. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's usually from 5:30 to 7:30 U.S. Eastern Time. That was tough, boys. Cute little chuckle over there. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. All right. Jesus, that took forever. All right, guys. So to do the RPG fast swap, you obviously are gonna need an RPG. I'm using a Bear 50 cal, but you can use an intervention if you'd like. I actually was attempting to change my class to intervention, and it apparently didn't want to do it, so we're using a Barrett. All right, so I've got my controller overlay in the bottom left corner of my screen, so you guys can refer to that to see the timing on how I'm doing the fast swap. But so to do this, you're gonna just want to have your RPG out, and then all you have to do is press right trigger to shoot it, and right before it actually shoots the RPG out, you just hit Y. That's literally it. Just right trigger and Y. And it basically knacks to your primary weapon. So like when you hit right trigger, it's gonna automatically scope in. So right when it's like almost done scoping in, that's when you want to press Y. So yeah, it's really cool to incorporate, like you can do like glides or running mans or moonwalks, however you want to call it, before you fast swap. And then like once you fast swap, you can do like whatever combo you want with your primary weapon. So like do like a 360 running man, or just glide with it and then into the fast swap. Oh, we're just gonna go for it from the crane. This is first game on. First crane shot attempt. Let's see what happens. He's like right there too. Oh wow, my shot actually kind of came a little close. That shot was actually close. That one would have been kind of cool. Imagine I hit from the crane, dude. Oh shit, one Raspa, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the stream, man. Almost hit from 11 meters. You love to see it. Can't quick scope, can't quick scope, can't quick scope. There it is. Alright, about to hit right here. About to hit right here. I told you we were about to hit right there. Let's go, man. Run that shit up. This is how you guys do a RPG fast swap. Thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. We got a private match EP number 2 dropping next week, so please be on the lookout for that. Drop a sub if you haven't already. Pop over to my Twitch, drop a follow there. Run it up. I'm about to hit right here. I told you we were about to hit right there. Let's go, man. Run that shit up. This is how you guys do a RPG fast swap. If you guys like this video, please drop a like on the video, subscribe, hit me up on Twitch, twitch.tv/Steez. Thank you again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. Peace.